Alright, so to begin our soup, I'm going to put a little ghee in my pot here. I'm going to put some olive oil. And I'm going to saute the onions, bush basil, and some ginger garlic paste. Okay, I'm going to add a little sea salt to my onions. Okay, so I'm now going to add in my carrots and cabbage. I'm going to add a raw chicken stock cube. And let's add in some chicken broth now. I'm going to add the rest with water. I'm also going to add in my cannellini beans. All right, so we're going to bring this up to a boil, and I'm just going to get a cover so I can cover it as well. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend as well. Guys, you know what I just remembered? I do have some chicken tips in my freezer. I'm also going to add that to this. I'm going to add a little more sea salt to the chicken tips. Don't add too much salt now. I will taste after it is cooked to see if I need to add salt. All right, so I'm just going to cover this and allow this to cook completely. At the end, there are 2 other ingredients that I will add to it as well. All right, so I washed my spoon because my chicken is now cooked. So now that my chicken is cooked, we're going to taste for seasoning. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding a little fish sauce to my soup. So you can either add salt or you can use fish sauce for seasoning. Okay, so you saw me add the fish sauce, so you could either add fish sauce or you can add salt for your seasoning. All right, so to end off our dish, we are going to drop in some rice noodles. We'll just leave this to simmer for about 5 minutes with the rice noodles. And I'm also going to add some spring onions as well. So I'm going to turn off my cooker now and just leave this covered for a few minutes.